Hey everyone, this is Ed from Tech Talk. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert an ISO file into a .dmg so that you can use it with Transmac or whatever you're planning on using it for. But in this case, I'm going to show you how to take one of these ISO files that I've been testing. For example, I tested the High Sierra and the El Capitan, and they both work. I've installed them on my older versions of the 2008 version of MacBook. You could use this to fix a MacBook that maybe doesn't boot from the recovery partition. You can't get it to the recovery partition, um, whatever the reason. So let me show you really quick how to go about easily converting the ISO into a DMG without any third-party software. So I'm going to go ahead and minimize this. And what we need to do, so the first thing you need to do is when you're done downloading your file or wherever it's going to be, you have to be able to find your file. So in this case, mine's this PC Acer user Edward Wallace desktop. So I'm going to be using this. So I'm going to click in here and I'm going to copy this because I'm going to need it in just a second. Now I'm going to type in CMD, and this is really easy, nothing to be afraid of. This is so simple. Right click, run as administrator, click yes. And now what we're going to do right here, it's really simple. Just type CD and now Control V or copy paste the location that you're looking to go to. And now we're at the desktop. So the only thing we need to do now is take and right here, we're going to type in REN for rename, and then we're going to do colons here. And now you're going to come over to here to the folder or to the file that you want to change. Now notice this is a disk image. Just to show you that it's a disk image, I'm going to go to properties and show you this is a .iso. So what we want to do is click on this again so that we can copy this. Control copy. And then now if yours has .iso at the end already, then you just need to have you just need to keep it .iso. So I'm going to go Control V now. So now I'm going to add the .iso at the end because that's what it is. It's a .iso file. It's just not showing. So now I'm going to come over here. I'm going to go Control V again, and I'm going to go .dmg because that's what I want the final output to be. And then I'm just going to hit enter. And that's it. Guess what? We're already done. So you look at the Monterey Test DMG, it's .dmg now. If you right click and you go properties, you are going to see that it's a DMG. And that is it, my friends. So now you could download Transmac and format let Transmac format your USB, bring this image in, and you would be able to boot from this when you're done. All right. If this helps you, please consider subscribing, and thanks for watching. All right. And hit that thumbs up, please. All right. Bye.